It's a 2017 Mercedes Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, M-Brace 2 external memory control, remote engine start smart device, driver and passenger memory seats, and auto shift manual transmission. This from Cars.com. Small in size, but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.